Kanakora TV.
Kanakora TV.
Kanakora TV. Kanakora TV na ene so yaba o hweye. Erade Nyankopon onhyira wo pa. Erade enhyira wo. Sede bia wani gusu a wo hwe Kanakora TV. Na ene so news no emode na ene no me yegina Matthew 24 verse 7. Matthew chapter 24 verse 7. Said the trasem ne kase aman be sorry aman so kom ebeba asase woso ebesisi saa niema we nyina ya niema ekoso in recent time enti na me bisa se awiye bre mu ne yewo anase enye awiye bre mu ene yewo se awiye bre mu ne yewo dia na kyerese o se edwane na yeje ye kra nkwa na me fa saa akonya we so Abonka yes pass 26 is just around the corner. Holiness conference Bright and Pure Holiness Ministry at the bread Yamemba the Radiaco Pastor Paul J at the undiluted word of God at the ban. A few ways so a say a drew ho your bonka ye pass bra na me no me no ye meti a radinian coupon asem. Me shall see pa ewo Iceland. We the news na de na be frafra volcano kese bi pa esi ho people muja and I say eje wo people esi Iceland and times esi ho basa sa ye ka Iceland Iceland okọ no ma eye bia bia ase asase no aye blog enfa fridge enye enfa nto ho enchiro enti se wo hawa asase no esi ye nwunu I say blog si fa na eja efri asase na se epie na dia na kasa kireo enti Awurade Nyankopon se wodi ja na be hye nipa eya bia unyini but obetumi de ja na se de waka na wodi ja nso na ebe hye adeboyefo enti se wote Ghana ha wi abo na unyi bibia ndi a kokore Iceland de ekoso ewo ho eja efri asase na se a epie ba ehu odofo yafa ye homa Yesu Kristo yi ankasa. A volcano erupts south of Iceland capital. A volcano eruption began on Monday, that is in the Iceland south of the capital following an earthquake swarm. Iceland meteorologists reported roughly 4,000 residents of Greidik, a fishing port around 40 kilometers, that is 25 miles from capital. Until when you na tofa nyina ne say Iceland was the American. People muja pa enya sem ketua. Until we behu the video no beto akire ho mo hawa volcano ne esi etie. Ye kire say enipa 4,000 residents was capital hono Reykjavik, the capital of Iceland. Etutu omunni bebia omudi omuti eko na ansa na volcano ni ebesi no earthquake enso esi ho bia ho na enti we nyina di adanse ese asase wo so a ebesisi ene niam akese huhu a ebesisi aside rumors of war no de bia ye beka no ni nyina no say we are in the end time na samu na China so earthquake and so recently that is 18 December and so here China also experience another 5.9 magnitude earthquake. Now Osha China back from 2012 to 2022 27 earthquakes and SC China 27 nyasem ketwa SC China enya China nko earthquakes bebre sisi Turkey enya ade man bebre so earthquakes sisi wa say we are in the end time na trasem no enkasa kwa trasem no de akabia nso so si enya ma me fa nko akosem no ye nyina ye nim se de ekoso e wo Middle East wo Israel ene Hamas entsemo na president and as a prime minister Netanyahu and so still na no gusu a work say on want to me cease fire until say omo aim Israel for aim and say on be wipe Hamas no a free assassin so no until they will achieve that aim no there will not be any ceasefire. Na eno na China so abe urge US to stop blocking Gaza ceasefire resolution. Chebia ene ye meka kire mo say UN akwakoto aba ya omususu say de ekoso ewo Middle East ho no between Israel and Hamas ho no enipa na ewuo no edoso dodo nti wo say ntokwa no eto etwa na out of 153 nations a omoto aba no US eka ho 10 countries a omoto aba etia sa ceasefire resolution no ya amman bi so omonso de omo antubi omo adamusa omo support omo so they are not against it. Until China also had a concern about the ceasefire resolution at the aba. China urged US to stop blocking Gaza ceasefire resolution. Chinese Foreign Minister spokesperson Wang Wenbin said China is ready to work with Arab Islamic countries to firmly support the Palestinian people's just cause of restoring their rights. Until China and Sayemono and also Abe making a stand known, says no, they are ready to stand firmly with the Palestinians. Said they will fight for their rights. Ayo, the koso enono. Sa na China fonso esusu say US for ena omode omutumi the veto power because amai nyina atumpo na US eka say yen support ya enyina enyadwuma nti no omugu US so omode ja egu Joe Biden president of US nichem ya omom pressure na gidigidi say onwe na onye bibi mfa ho meba chome de wo Russia and Ukraine en tokwa yimu ehon so ntokwa no asori gidigidi pa e Ukraine fonso so omuhia moa na eno na wotu kwan ko Washington na efe wasani EU for eko shiaye ya nanka EU for pesika bi so sanka sa 50 billion US dollars in komo de boy Ukraine for ama omonso omotimi enya cost akode ene niam betumi abo omo defend omo ho with Russia eno na Hungary president and so Mediantum because of the individual differences and growth so say no oye align with Putin enti na amana nyiantuma Ukraine for akansin semuna president of Russia Vladimir Putin says Russia ready to hold talks on future of Ukraine. They finally was say why ready. Every betray mu obekan sa enso ankosi aga. They say so wasan beka say why ready. Say on Ukraine for ebekasa. Na Putin, who sent troops into Ukraine in 2022, has repeatedly said he would be prepared to talk about peace, though Western officials says he's waiting for the US presidential election before making a genuine effort. No, in 2022, say Putin, Ekoto Ukraine force or the troops, and akode eko Ukraine hono. What the ababe to what so say, or say, asumje eba. Na Western officials, US officials, business say, well, trying my US or what to abane so be oya obe who president kra or baby dear and sign our make it a genuine effort no. In Ukraine, those who are aggressive towards Russia and in Europe and in the Western states, do they want to negotiate? Putin, na ebisa question with you. If it was elected, but we would do it based on our national interest. Putin told a meeting of the defense leadership in Moscow, and adding that Russia did not intend to fight with Europe. I was say US for any omo aggressive toward Russia. Na omo person mo negotiate na obisa say na tie dia let them why ready say negotiation be koso, but they are going to do that based on their own interest and osan de beto so say ono Putin there onye na adwe say oni Europe eba abeko because Joe Biden e de beto was say wo hu de say Putin aye ready say oni NATO for ebeko ya Putin the book is claim na wo kire say enye no kore na say Putin ni Europe ebeko na oni NATO for ebeko dia na enya asema eye ahogro sokra aha kan create TV so subscribe for my subscribe my pa ko social media handles ni nya woko Facebook Bright and Pure Honest Ministry nyame akwa Paul J obenya messages ni bebre ewo ho a obetumi etie resi so tension e koso pa wo ho a Yemen hutifo nso ahia adwuma say bia the same news ni e de bada bi we ye tension a e koso a Yemen omo defense ba ko de beto wo say US for bo omo musuo na so omo the troops e ba ho a omo ni omo ebedi ne nyonyono pa na US for so aye coalition na say omo ni aman ahodo bebre host of other nations are omo creating new force to protect ship transition at the Red Sea we ye ensemble so a eno so ekoso e wo Yemen Houthi Red Sea no eho no mo say omo ntijai na de na other nations any US for ye nyina no so no ama Yemen youth for ansesa omo akode anko enti no pocket of wars yes AC emiamia ya Bible ne kan ye na me kan ye Matthew 24:7 honom no it is happening ntokwa AC miamie pa ni nyina bekeka bom puzzle ni nyina bekeka bom na beji wum one day na say ji wum one day a natural say erade befa na hotefo akọ na say erade befa na hotefo akọ edi enipa na ese mi no mi no ye run for your life I end of year holiness conference no ekoso me pa che obra next week eduru ho 26th to 1st bra na yentie erade nyankopon asem na de atwa to okra na me di ebejawo ewo Putin honum na osi Putin said Ukraine membership of NATO is not acceptable to Russia and Ukraine for apre sa say omo pese omo join NATO na eno na Russia ka say de ma Ukraine for omo hu ye na hipa baako ene NATO for na omo pese omo join na me bisa say na wo Putin wo join BRICS na Ukraine for ko join NATO na omo so omo nya ba bia omo ho bedwo wo mo a osi eye wo hipa na eno ye one reason tia Putin sorry Ukraine so because one agenda of Putin and say wobema Ukraine ho aye neutral Ukraine join ku bia Ukraine ebe ye sovereign state na or say Russia annexed Crimea in 2024 and last year said the 4 additional regions of Ukraine that is troops partially control are part of Russia. Meanwhile, Kyiv says they will not rest until every last Russian soldier is injected from Ukraine. It's when you na say asumdue na Putin ka say onu susu say ebeba Ukraine wono. Ebaya den kakra because Kyiv so e dey abeto was said they will not rest until Russia troops and as soldiers war Ukraine wono so on be papa omu nyina e free ho. Matthew 24:7 Kasapa nation will rise against nation. There will be famine, pestilence. There will be earthquakes. And koso pa me pa cho. Yemfa ye homa Erade Yesu Kristo entempa. Erade nsraw se eneso woje bre Erade nsra na koa Pastor Paul J. Me tia me ma me pa me sister August J. Erade nyankopon nsra. Erade ya do ma sanhia ye e wo kan creative so makra.